Hello and welcome to my support solutions YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn how to set default values in SAP S4HANA Fiori app. This will be our short video. So click on the settings. In default values we will select the required default values. Let's say in financial accounting we'll select our company code GSL. This is our company code to be default. Now second thing, we will set our chart of accounts. Our company follows international, that is INT chart of accounts, so we'll set that our as a default values. Under chart of accounts, under controlling, no default value. Now in materials management we have already set our plant as a default values. Under our company we have two plants. Now we will add our second plant also. So here we'll change from between to equal to our plant value GSL1. This is our plant code. Click on the add button and click on OK. So we have add our second plant also. In sales and billing section we don't set any default values right now. Logistics execution, shipping point. Now click on the save. Your changes have been saved. So this is how we can set default values based on our requirement in SAP S4HANA Fiori app. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our My Support Solutions YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and select all notifications. If you like our video, then please click on the like button and share our videos. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch and bye bye.